Hey everyone, Larry Bailey, Mortgage Workflow Partners. It's Tuesday, 4 o'clock on September 9th, and we are getting together to talk about Encompass. And thanks for coming. So we get together every Tuesday, every other Tuesday at 4 p.m., provided there's not a holiday or something crazy happening. And we're going to continue talking about our 12-part workshop series. This particular one is all about secondary. And so basically, if you're coming here today, maybe you know a little bit about secondary, maybe you don't. Maybe you've had some conversations with your secondary team, and they're like, "Hey, I just work in Optimal Blue, or I just work in whatever else. I work in Poly, I work in whatever, and leave me alone, leave me alone." And I'm going to tell you that as an Encompass admin, as a workflow specialist, that is usually not the best circumstance. You typically want to be involved in that workflow. I definitely am going to share today some insights. I had spent quite a while on the secondary desk as an employee. I also spent quite a while in charge of a branch for about, I don't know, 5 years, 6 years, as a non-delegated correspondent lender. I also spent time as an owner, both on the broker side as well as on the banker side. So lots of stuff to talk about secondary. This is always going to be about Encompass. So I'm going to go over some details about Encompass Desktop. I'm also going to talk about Encompass Web. We're going to talk about EPC, Encompass Partner Connect. We're going to talk about Trades tab, and it's going to get real interesting, I think, as maybe some things happen in the secondary markets with regards to the GSEs and maybe even Ginnie Mae. So we'll get into it. But first things first, thanks again for coming. For those that are just showing up, again, we're going to talk all about secondary today, basically optimizing secondary workflow from locks through sale. We're going to go over some topics. This thing's being recorded, so if you are not able to stay for the whole thing, check out the replay. You'll find it in the Mastery Encompass community. And on that regard, keep in mind that we are always looking to help Encompass administrators as well as Encompass users with their best learning methods to master the Encompass platform as admins or as users. All right, so let's get into a couple things. First of all, when it comes to secondary, right? I'm going to go ahead and share screen here for a second. There we go. So a little handy dandy PowerPoint lock test, a loan sale, and first thing I want to draw out, right? Secondary. So there's a lot of times where